Hi, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with us at our Tupperware party. I am Alicia Manning, and I help people with the tools and the solutions they need to make good food fast. Now, grab a paper and a pen so that you can add to your wish list. I'm going to show you a variety of solutions that you're probably going to want for yourself. We're going to chat about solutions for meal preparation, solutions for great food storage, and solutions to help you to ditch the drive-thru and to get dinner on the table quickly. Now, before we get started, be sure to say hi and tag your host in the comments because that is going to get you a bonus entry into our party prize drawing. So, are you ready to make good food fast? We are cooking Italian chicken, mixed vegetables, and perfect rice today in the Tupperwave Stack Cooker system. We're cooking this in the microwave, and it's going to taste amazing. For our Italian chicken dinner today, we are going to use boneless chicken. You can either use breast or thighs, whatever your preference is. We are also going to use breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, garlic salt, and about 16 ounces of your favorite frozen vegetable mixture. We're going to use rice, olive oil, and some melted butter. We're going to start with the 3-quart casserole. So in our 3-quart casserole, we're going to add our rice. We're going to add water. Now, if you're using instant rice, you want to use equal parts rice and equal parts water. If you're using regular long grain rice, you're going to use twice as much water as you use rice. We are also going to add a little bit of vegetable seasoning in here. And if you would like, you can add a tablespoon of butter. So this is what goes in our 3-quart casserole. In the middle, we're going to take our 1 3/4 quart casserole, place it right on top of the 3-quart that has our rice in it. To this, we are going to add our frozen mixed vegetables, okay? And then we're also going to put just a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of water, and we're going to add about a teaspoon or so of our Italian seasoning. And you can use whatever favorite Italian seasoning you want to use. So now we have 2 parts of our 3-part dinner ready to go. And now for our chicken entree. We're going to take our seasoned breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, and garlic salt. We're going to mix them together. Okay, we're going to mix them together really well. And then we're going to take our chicken and we're going to coat it in this mixture. Okay, so we're going to take it, we're going to coat it real well in this mixture. And then this goes into, remember, this is our 3-quart, 3/4 quart cover that also we're going to use this as a casserole. So we're going to turn it upside down. We're going to put it on top of our other 2 levels. And then we are going to put our chicken in here. Once you get all 4 pieces completely coated, you're going to arrange them into the cover of your stack cooker because we are using this as a casserole today. And so now we are ready to go in the microwave. Remember, we have rice and water on the bottom. We have our mixed vegetable blend in the middle. And we have our Italian seasoned chicken on the top. So now we are going to microwave this on 100% power for 25 minutes. And if you would like, you can cover the top with a piece of wax paper if that's your preference. Our stack cooker is a versatile cooking system that allows you to prepare an entire meal in less than 30 minutes. From appetizers to main courses, the stack cooker's modular design lets you steam, microwave, or cook multiple dishes simultaneously, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. You can also brown ground beef, roast a chicken, or even bake a cake in your Tupperwave stack cooker. So all you have to do is you prepare the meal, you stack the pieces that you're using, pop it in the microwave and cook, and in a short time, your dinner is done. The stack cooker system comes with a 3-quart casserole base and a seal. This 3-quart is great for soups, stews, roasts, vegetables, and starches. This is also the size that I use when I am roasting a whole chicken in the microwave. Now, the 3-quart casserole also becomes a bundt pan when you use it with the cone, okay? And then once you're finished eating, you can use the seal to cover your leftovers and store in the fridge right in this container, okay? Now, next up, we have our 1 3/4 quart casserole. This also comes with a seal, okay? And it features stay cool handles. You can use this for many of the same purposes that you're going to use the 3-quart casserole, but you can use this one if you need a smaller size. Next up, we have our 3/4 cup cover. Okay, now when you have a meal and you are stacking multiple pieces, you can use this 3-quart cover just like this as a cover, but you can also invert it if you want to be able to cook 3 foods at the same time. So when you invert it, it becomes a 3-quart casserole, which is useful for making side dishes or simple desserts. And you can also cook your meats up here if you would like as well. Now, we also have our colander. Now, this is great for cooking meat, okay? And you can put this inside either the 3-quart or the 1 3/4 quart casserole. So what you want to do, for instance, when you want to brown ground beef, you crumble your ground beef in the colander, go ahead and season it, add your onions and your green peppers, whatever other flavorings you want to put in them. You take this 3-quart casserole, you take your colander, you set it inside your 3-quart casserole. So now as your meat cooks, the fat is going to drain in the bottom. And so your meats are gonna cook perfectly. This colander is also fantastic for steaming vegetables as well. So you can see that you can use your 3-quart casserole, your colander, and your cover together. Now, we talked about the cone with our 3-quart casserole, but another feature of the cone is that the cone allows the microwaves to cook more evenly when you place it in the center of your food, okay? And then, of course, you can also use your 3-quart casserole to turn it into a bundt pan. So let me just tell you that you can make a lot of different meals with your Tupperwave Stack Cooker system. The 3 separate casseroles also work great individually, but when you stack them together, you can cook an entire meal at once in 30 minutes or less, and it will help you to make good food fast for your family. When your stack cooker comes out of the microwave, let it stand for about 8 minutes or so before serving, because when you cook in your microwave, your food actually continues to cook for a few minutes after you take it out. And also, don't forget to drizzle the top of your chicken with a little bit of melted butter before you put it in the microwave. Now, I mentioned covering the top with a piece of wax paper, but you can also invert your colander and use that as a cover as well, okay? Now, here we go. Dinner is done. Doesn't this look delicious? We have Italian chicken, mixed vegetables, and perfect rice. Now, once you are finished serving your family, then you can also use your seals to cover your containers and store them right in the refrigerator. So let me just tell you guys, this is so much better than running through the drive-thru, and cheaper too, I might add. And we tend to eat better and to eat more healthily and to eat better foods when we cook it ourselves at home. Because y'all, you can make good food fast at home. You just need the right tools to help you to do it. So be sure to add the Tupperwave Stack Cooker system to your gotta have it list, and better yet, book your own party and get it for half price. And while we're talking about getting dinner on the table in 30 minutes or less, do you know that we have an entire line of premium products designed to do just that? Get your dinner on the table in 30 minutes or less. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you've enjoyed the solutions that I have shared with you that are gonna help you to make good food fast for your family. And we have some great sales specials in our March brochure, so I wanted to share a few of them with you. Let's start with our customer favorite Thatsa bowls. Y'all, we cannot talk about Tupperware solutions without mentioning bowls, because you need a great set of bowls in your kitchen for all of your mixing and your prepping needs. Now, each one of our Thatsa bowls features a built-in thumb handle and an easy to remove liquid tight seal. And all of our Thatsa bowls come with airtight and leak proof seals. And they also nest together for efficient storage. We have a 2-piece set of 5 1/4 cup minis available. And we have our 6-piece Thatsa bowl set. And this set includes a 2.5 cup extra mini, a 5 1/4 cup mini, a 12 cup junior, a 19 cup medium, the 32 cup original Thatsa bowl, and our 42 cup mega. Now, there are 2 ways for you to get your 6-piece Thatsa bowl set right now. You can purchase it, or you can host a qualifying party and earn it absolutely free. Now, these Thatsa bowls are our best-selling bowls, and we love them in the new color palette. They are definitely a kitchen must-have. Next up, the 14-piece Sip into Spring set. This set comes with our 2-quart classic sheer pitcher and our 1-gallon classic sheer pitcher and a set of 12 tabletop tumblers. Now, y'all remember these pitchers. This is an updated version of the same pitchers that our moms and our grandmas used to have. They feature a push button at the top so that you can close them tight, but the push button also helps you regulate how much you pour. You can either pour a little or you can pour a lot. These classic sheer pitchers are perfect for your juice, your tea, and your water. And when I was little, this was the Kool-Aid pitcher in my house. Now, the set also includes 4 of each. We have a set of 4 8-ounce tabletop tumblers, a set of 4 12-ounce tabletop tumblers, and a set of 4 18-ounce tumblers. Now, you save over 40% on this 14-piece Sip into Spring set, but the classic sheer pitcher set and the tabletop tumbler bouquet are also sold separately. Raise your hand if you are missing pieces from your measuring cups and your measuring spoon set. It is time for a refresh. Our measuring mates are the perfect blend of style and everyday function. And these prep tools also make great gifts because you are not the only one that's missing pieces from your set. The measurements on our measuring mates are easy to see, and they're resistant to fading because the measurements are actually molded directly onto the handle of both the cups and the spoons. And you also get 6 of each, not 4 like in most other sets. So that means less measuring and less work. Our measuring mates include the 1/8 teaspoon measurement and the 2/3 and the 3/4 cup measurement in the cups as well. Have you seen our round cake taker lately? Y'all know that homemade treats made with love are always a favorite. And what a great way for you to be able to store and to transport your cakes and your pies. Our round cake taker holds up to a 3-layer cake or torte. The handles lock so that it is super easy to transport. You can also take the cover off and you can flip the base, and now it is also a divided serving dish. The Snack Stor Large is our family size snack keeper, and it is perfect for storing food in the fridge, in the pantry, or even on your counter. The Snack Stor Large is great for storing and transporting your baked goods, your snacks, your sandwiches, and more. And if you have our egg tray inserts, you can also put 3 side by side in here, and then that is great for deviled eggs and other treats as well. Our covered serving center is a true Tupperware favorite. This unique design of our all-in-one 6-compartment serving tray helps separate and organize taco fillings, ice cream toppings, fruits, vegetables, dips, condiments for cookouts, and so much more. It features 6 2-cup compartments and a removable 14-ounce microwave reheatable bowl with a seal. The great part about our serving center is that our domed cover doubles as a server as well. How cool is that? Question: how would you like to get a 25% discount on all of your personal Tupperware purchases? That is just one of the perks of opening an account with Tupperware. In addition to your consultant discount on your personal purchases, you can also earn a 25% commission on all the Tupperware that you sell to others. You can come in and make a little money with Tupperware, or you can work from home, party online, and make big money. The sky is the limit with what you can do with your Tupperware opportunity, because the choice is absolutely yours. So, ask me anything about opening an account with Tupperware. I'll be glad to answer your questions. And be sure to ask me how you can host and join. My next question is your wish list bigger than your budget? Probably so. Well, I have a solution for you. Book your own party and get your Tupperware for free and for half price. Your party host can tell you how easy it is to host your own party. Now, the best way to maximize your value tonight is to pick up your must-haves and your sales specials, and then book your own party to get the rest of your wish list for free and half price. Because what's going to happen? We're going to hang out with your friends, we're going to chat, and we're going to cook a fun recipe. We've talked about some good food and we've seen some great solutions. Are you ready to shop from your wish list? Stay tuned, because we have a few more party posts coming your way, so the party is not finished yet. Now, be on the lookout for party post number 5, because that's where I'm going to be sharing the catalog and some of our great sales specials. And then once you make your selections, you can place your order using your host shopping link. So get your order submitted quickly so that you can earn a bonus entry into our party prize drawing. So thanks so much for coming to our Tupperware party. I hope that you have enjoyed the solutions that I shared with you, because they're going to help you to make good food fast for your family. Bye, y'all.